Welcome back to Andie the Lab. This week we are lab testing the 2019 Mini Cooper SE Countryman All4. Now this is our first real plug-in hybrid, so let's get it charged up. So here's the charging cable. Comes in the back of the vehicle, looks like this. And I also found this glove, so maybe I'm supposed to put the glove on. Now I won't electrocute myself. There's also a manual, and it's in almost every single language. So if I flip to the first 2 pages, I have English here. Looks pretty easy. Let's go. They say that if you plug it into a standard house outlet, it takes about 3 hours to charge. You don't need a special outlet to charge this sucker up. Andie, don't lick that. I don't want you to electrocute yourself. You're not wearing the gloves. Now this goes here. So before you plug this in, make sure the vehicle is unlocked or you're not going to be able to get this open. Open! Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Maybe the car needs to be unlocked. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So let's check it out. Thunder gray metallic and these yellow accents, super hot. Plus, those mirrors fold in. You have a panoramic moonroof with roof rails and LED headlights, fog lights, 18-inch wheels, all-season tires, and the cows in the back. Now before this Countryman gets away from me again, let's get a better look. Let's check out some of the front features. In this model, you have the John Cooper sport seats. It's a black carbon fabric, embroidered pattern down the back, beautiful contrast stitching, but I have noticed one small thing. My hair and Andie's hair are just sticking to this fabric, and Andie hasn't even been inside the car yet, so I would totally upgrade to leather if I were to get this vehicle. The steering wheel is leather. It has really cool looking orange stitching. If you like circles, you'll probably be into this car too. There's a lot of chrome details, ambient lighting, and the colors change. Black tuxedo looking trim. The knobs and the toggles, they all have unique shapes. Nice climate control. I love the little displays on the buttons, and you can jack this thing up to 84 degrees. Feels like Florida in this car. It's getting a little too hot. The heated seats are so powerful. It's like ultra heat. My tush kind of feels like it's on fire right now, but I kind of like it. Something unique that I have not seen yet are the switches on the vents that regulates the airspeed. Infotainment gets a super thumbs up. I think this is so well designed. Everything is right here, easy to see. It's very responsive. I also love that it changes colors. You can even see the weather. It looks like a real app on your iPhone. The graphics are absolutely beautiful. In addition to the touchscreen, there's also a controller in the center console that you can use. This vehicle does not seem to have Apple CarPlay, but it is an option, so keep that in mind. At least I'm able to plug my phone in, access playlists, listening to Pandora, things like that. Center console has a little surprise in here. It has a wireless charging station, and it works with a big OtterBox on the outside of it. In front of the gear shifter, you have 2 cup holders and a little rubberized tray, and the tray has this cute little plaid detail. Overall, I think the inside of this thing is pretty special looking. Let's head on to the back. This Mini made a 40-20-40 split, which makes me so excited. I'll get to that in a second. The entire hybrid technology is designed in a way that you can't tell that it's here. There's no hump, there's no space taken up, plenty of leg room on both sides, and if you sit in the center, well, you just have to be a little bit more creative with your feet. So there are 3 positions with this seat. The sloucher, whoa, feels good. The semi-sloucher has a little bit of an incline. And then this is for if you're really trying to correct your posture. Super straight. There's no cup holder here, but the storage in the door makes up for it. They do have their version of a panoramic moonroof. It is split, so you have your own little section here. Sunshade, you can close it yourself back here. You don't have to bother the person in the front to push a button. You just grab it, boom, and it's closed. Let's push down those seats. Let me show you the rear. Pull tab, pull these seats down. When you have a fur kid, a 40-20-40 is totally the way to go. That or captain's chairs. Because there are so many pluses. You can see your dog can see you, your dog's not getting motion sick, you can give him a pet, kiss, treat, you can give him water, whatever you need to do. I don't even know why a 60-40 split exists in some of the other crossovers. I mean, if Mini can do it, the other manufacturers could do it too. Also, if you're looking for a crossover alternative, you don't want to be so high up in the air, this Countryman could honestly be your option. This comes with a hardtop cargo cover, which is great when you want to hide things. But to get Andie in the back, I removed it, which is super easy to do so. And there's also extra storage under the floor. Yeah. Another great thing about this rear is that it is lower to the ground, which makes it that much more ideal when a large dog is jumping in or getting out. Countryman has great pep. I've never felt like it's been underpowered. It uses the Mini twin power turbo technology, which is from the latest generation of BMW engines. So no wonder why this feels so responsive. This is a Beamer. And with this sporty steering wheel, it's really fun to drive. When it comes to driving modes, just wiggle this little eDrive toggle switch and you have Auto eDrive, Max eDrive, and Battery Save. I know some people have been criticizing the size of the gas tank, but truth be told, I actually think this is a perfect daily driver. Because if you're able to achieve a full charge on this battery, which just do it while you're sleeping, you can achieve a 65 mile per gallon equivalent for the first 12 miles. So I kind of feel like I have a full-size tank, but I really have a full-size dog in the back. So our top 5 favorite features include 1. The driveway mini lights. 2. The LED center infotainment ring, easy to use and very responsive. 3. The 40-20-40 split. 4. The overall exterior look. I think it's fun and aesthetically pleasing. 5. The fact that it's actually spacious. In fact, we even bought a Christmas tree with this thing. Mini Cooper for letting us lab test this 2019 Countryman. Andie was totally comfortable back there. And now for the holiday giveaway. Thanks to everybody who entered our giveaway. It was so fun to read your comments and we truly appreciate your support. Now next month we have more giveaways, so don't forget, subscribe to our channel, click that bell so you don't miss out. Now for this giveaway, the results were randomly generated using the gleam.io website, and I'm happy to announce that the 9 winners are... We'll contact you, so make sure you check your messages. Bye!